I'm talking today about sanding the hammers, and I was saying I'm going to show you how I cut the strip. It's just the 220. This is really good sandpaper. It's got kind of a plasticky back on it, so you can find this at your hardware store. This is a 220. I use anywhere from 150 to 220. You can use even lighter, but you want to cut just go to the paper and cut a little strip about this long, maybe about twice as long as your middle finger or your pointer, and just about the size of the hammer. Now if it's a little bit too wide, this strip was a little wide, you can just trim it down. You want it to be just a little bit bigger than the hammer, you know. You can trim it down it takes 2 seconds to trim it down to the right size, and then you have your paper strip that will last you several sets of reshaping. And then this is like I said, this is 220. So, and I showed you the technique in another video, but you're using this strip, and I believe the red that I was using was actually a 150, which is a really good size to cut just to touch up some hammers. You can go even lighter, like to a 100 grit, if you want to really dig in the first pass and then do a second pass. But that is cutting the strip of sandpaper to do your voicing, and that is how it's done. Uprights, grands, very quick, and also very easy to upsell. It takes like 10 minutes, and you can usually upsell this for a very, very good rate, and it makes the piano sound great. Even if you don't want to charge the client, you can do this in about 10 minutes, and it'll make the piano sound better and play better, and they'll love you even more. All right, good luck, guys.